I don't think people realize using the wrong cleaner on granite can actually ruin it. This is gonna blow your mind. Cleaning granite is easy, but you need to do it right. First up, clear everything off your countertop. Appliances, utensils, that fruit bowl you never actually refill. You want all the space clear so you can get into every nook and cranny. Next, grab a dry microfiber cloth and wipe away any crumbs, dust, or debris. This step is key. Rubbing dirt into granite can cause tiny scratches you might not notice until it's too late. Now mix up a safe cleaning solution. Just warm water with a few drops of mild dish soap in a spray bottle. Skip the harsh stuff. No bleach, no vinegar, nothing acidic. Those can strip your granite sealant and leave it looking dull. Spray a light mist across the surface, then grab a clean microfiber cloth and gently wipe using circular motions. This lifts dirt and grease without any damage. Almost done. Take a dry towel or another microfiber cloth and buff away any leftover moisture. This keeps your granite streak-free and extra shiny. A few final tips. Always go for pH-balanced or granite-safe cleaners. Reseal your granite every 6 to 12 months, and never let spills sit for long. Too busy to clean? Call Bear Brothers Cleaning today at 256-633-6332 or visit bearbroscleaning.com, because your home deserves to be very clean.